Do you recognize this? Have you tried this? Or this? Well, no more.
Okay, so let's fix that goddamn error. If we click it, you can see it still gives the error. If you want to stop that, go to Task Manager, Premiere, delete. Let's open the app data folder. You can do that by typing %appdata% in the search bar, and you need to get to a folder like this. Then we go to Adobe Premiere Pro in my instance 14, and now we get over here and we see a file plugin loading. Click that, and here you get a list of all the plugins Adobe is trying to load while opening the program. So if we go all the way to the bottom, in my instance it's trying to load the Media Core plugin. So I was thinking, what if there is not a plugin and it's still trying to find it? And we can fix that by doing the following. Go to the folder it's trying to load. So here you can see program files, Adobe, Common, Plugins, 7, Media Core. Well, I'm here in the same folder, and there's a dummy file here that was already here. Don't know where it came from. It does nothing. But if you do this, new text document, test, open it, type something random, and now comes the fun part. Save as, all files, dummy.dll. So we're gonna make an empty plugin for Adobe to find. So we got our new file over here. Let's delete this. And watch and behold if I press the Premiere. And it's loading up, as I told you.